Bonjour. I want to teach weather. Yesterday, Bijinago. Today, Nungum. Wabang. Tomorrow. Anin Ajiwebuk Agujing Nungum. Say, what's the weather like outside today? Anin Ajiwebuk Agujing Nungum. Nungum. Today, Nungum. Outside, Agujing. Gotta say it out loud. If you don't say it out loud, you're not gonna remember it. Outside, agujing. Agujing. Agujing nongom. Outside today. Agujing nongom. Agujing nongom. Anin Ajiwebuk. Agujing nongom. Hapeka. Ningwakud nongom. Ningwakud nongom. That's a cloud. Ningwakud. It's cloudy. Ningwakud. Ningwakud nongom. Nongom. Ningwakud. Ningwakud nongom. Remember, say it out loud every time you hear an Ojibwe word. Ningwakud nongom. Anin ga Ajiwebuk Agujing Bijinago. What was the weather like outside yesterday? Say yesterday, Bijinago. Bijinago. Say outside, Agujing. Agujing. Agujing Bijinago. Anin ga Ajiwebuk Agujing Bijinago. Gi Ningwakud. If you're going to talk about the past, you got to say gi. That means it already happened. Don't use any tense marker if it's happening now. Ningwakud. You have to say we if you're talking about the future. Say we. We ningwakud. Hey, Beka, I'll ask you how is the weather gonna be tomorrow? Anin wa Ajiwebuk Agujing wabang. We ningwakud. We ningwakud. Mamwe kidok. We. Haha. I can't hear you. You're not saying it. You gotta say it out loud. Say we. Say we ningwakud. We ningwakud. Say tomorrow. Say wabang. Say tomorrow it's gonna be ningwakud. Say wabang we ningwakud. Wabang we ningwakud. Ashkeme. Bijinago gi ningwakud. Bijinago gi ningwakud. Today nongom ningwakud. Wabang tomorrow. Wabang we ningwakud. Anin ga Ajiwebuk Bijinago. What was the weather like yesterday? Anin ga Ajiwebuk Bijinago. Gi ningwakud. Gi ningwakud. Anin Ajiwebuk nongom agujing. What's the weather like outside today? Anin Ajiwebuk agujing nongom. Ningwakud nongom. Anin wa Ajiwebuk Agujing wabang. What's the weather like going to be outside tomorrow? Anin wa Ajiwebuk Agujing wabang. Anin wa Ajiwebuk Agujing wabang. Wabang we ningwakud. Wabang we ningwakud. Ningwakud. Bungiate and Wejibwemojig nin. I only speak a little bit of Ojibwe. Bungiate and Wejibwemojig nin. Kwe beka. Dashi tunan nung kowe. Ashkema. Ikadon oe. Give me one. Give me one. Give me two. Give me 3. Give me 1. Give me 2. Give me 3. Give me 1. Give me 1. It is raining. Give me 1. Anin Wejibwemojig agwajing nongom. What's the weather like today? Anin Wejibwemojig nongom. What's the weather like outside today? What's happening outside today? Anin Wejibwemojig agwajing nongom. Anin Wejibwemojig agwajing nongom. Nashkema. Give me 1 nongom. Give me 1 nongom. Hoa ginetawitchige ginebwakagin. Ho miga ketota kimin siban. अपने को इश्तिगे दोए बुरो को कोचिगे. Na. Give me 1. Bichinago. Gi, it already happened. Gi, give me 1. Bijinago. Say it rained yesterday. Gi, give me 1. Bijinago. You got to do this. Gi, give me 1. Bijinago. Hoa. 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 Beka. Give me 1. Give me 1. Mashkema. Anin Wejibwemojig agwajing wahabang. What's the weather like going to be outside tomorrow? Anin Wejibwemojig agwajing wahabang. Oh ma. Wahabang we. Give me 1. Wahabang we. Give me 1. It's gonna we. Give me 1. It's gonna give me 1 tomorrow. We give me 1 wabang. Remember, keep saying these outside. Every time you hear Ojibwe words, say it out loud. We give me 1 wabang. Wabang, we give me 1. Oh. Beka. Beka, nashke, nitam, akoe, niya budgetun, owe, Zugi pun. It is snowing. Zugi pun. It's spelled pon, but it's pun. Mamu ikiduk. Zugi pun. It is snowing. Anin Wejibwemojig agwajing nongom. Anin Wejibwemojig agwajing nongom. Zogipon. Nongom zogipon. Zogipon nongom agwajing. Anin ga Wejibwemojig bijinago. Anin ga Wejibwemojig agwajing bijinago. Gi zugipon. Miwe. Gi zugipon. I just want to do a shout out to my powwow buddies and friends in Canada. Buju. Bijinago yesterday. Gi zugipon. Bijinago. Gi zogipon. Mama wikadog. Everybody say it together. Bijinago gi zogipon. I can't hear you. There's a couple of you eating cereal. Bijinago gi zogipon. Bijinago gi zogipon. It snowed yesterday. Bijinago gi zogipon. You're going to be saying that pretty soon. Okay, koe, beka. Abading, minawa. Mamoy katog, zugipon. 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 It's gonna. Say we. Say we. We. Say we zugipon. 위 zugipun. Tomorrow it's gonna snow. Wabang 위 zugipun. Wabang 위 zugipun. What's the weather gonna be like tomorrow? Anin Wejibwemojig agojing wabang. Wabang 위 zugipun. Wabang 위 zugipun. Miwe beka 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 koe beka koe. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Nashkeoma ikidon mijakwad. It's clear out. Mijakwad. It's cloudy. Ningwakwad. Ningwakwad. Say it is raining. Zugi pun. Zugi pun. 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 Zugi pun. Oh no, that's Alan. That's Zugi pun. Say, give me one. Give me one. Give me two. Say, give me one. It's raining. Give me one. Say zugi pun. Zugi pun. Aha. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna mix it up. It's coffee time. I need some more coffee. What is that one? Ani Wejibwemojig. Zugipun. Ani Wejibwemojig koma. Give me one. Ningwakwad. Ningwakwad. Mijakwad. Mijakwad. Aha. Oh, waka. Nashkeoma. Anin Wejibwemojig agojing bijinago. Bijinago gi mijakwad. Bijinago gi mijakwad. I made a mistake. Bijinago gi zugipun. 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 All right, say it out loud. Say zugipun. Zugipun. Bijinago gi zugipun. Nongom. Give me one. Anin Wejibwemojig agojing nongom. Nongom. Give me one. Minawa. And minawa ningwakwad. Ningwakwad. Give me one. Minawa ningwakwad. Anin Wejibwemojig wabang. Anin Wejibwemojig wabang nashkema. Wabang wi mijakwad. Wabang wi mijakwad. Miwe Wejibwemojig no. Me away, me sagonage, get me away. Can't say that. Is you way, but what's happening? What's going on today? Is you way, but don't go. Me which bizendaw yeg. Pega shingo ring. Ningo naning pega shingo ding ji nitaw jiboy mo yang kakana anishana beg oma anishana beg king. Ha, me which.